What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I'm on this app, Inboxdollars. The link to it will be in the description. Click on the link. I'm on the app, but you have to, when you create your account, you have to do it like on a laptop or iPad or something like that, and then you can download the app. I'm just trying to do a different view of this because I've done videos on this using the website, but I'm going to show you how I make money using the app as well. Kind of, mainly a lot of the same things that are on the website are on the app. Not everything, but if you want to just make money on the go, it's kind of best that you download the app as well, so you can just when you're out and about, you can kind of use it as well. So you see here, this is the home page. It'll show you all of the surveys that they have. There's a good amount on here, so I mean they don't really short you on the app. And doing that, it's a good amount on here. And the thing about it is, like, they don't really offer disqualification points, but like say I attempt one of these surveys and I don't get qualified for it, it'll go towards my scratch and win bonus. And once like say I disqualify for this bar right here, it'll go up a little bit. And you see the dollar signs right there? Those are just opportunities for you just to, make a little money. So you just click on the dollar sign, you'll scratch. I mean, it's very easy to use and you'll just get credited like that, but you have to wait till it actually hits one of those dollar signs. Obviously, when you get it all the way to the top, you have you'll win, you'll make more, but that's just if you don't get disqualified. But I've done videos on that, so check out my other videos on Inboxdollars on that. So you see here, I have $31.99. They also have this inbox feature, which I love. You see here, you can just basically get paid to open these emails. Now I haven't, opened these emails in a while because when I'm on here, I'm focused on the surveys real quick. But like, say for instance, I just click on this right here. All you gotta do is confirm this paid emails. I'll click on it, and that will come up like congratulations, one step, whatever. But all you have to do is confirm the email and you'll be credited. So you see I got credited 2 cents. Now I went to $32.01. And the same thing with these other emails. You know what I'm saying? I just click on one. Just scroll down to wherever it says confirm this email. Click on that. Well, this app was actually my password. Let me just, because I'm just trying to get this done quick for the purpose of this video. Confirm email. Just like that. And that's all you got to do. Now you'll just refresh your balance right there. $32.03. So you see there, you're just getting paid to open these emails. I'm gonna go through and do all of these after I'm done with this video, but it's an easy 2 cents. You don't have to do anything with the email, just confirm it. That's all you gotta do. All right, so that's really what the app is about. I'm going to cash out here. Like if you want to make more money with it, obviously you can use the website. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. Click on that. There's more options on here. I'm just doing it, just showing you that they have an app and you can still make money on the app, because I make a lot of money on the go when I have just like a few minutes downtime. I just use that to use this app and create more income for myself. So in order to cash out, I'm gonna click on this $32.03 right here, and you see there, that's what I've gotten today, just a little paid emails. You need $30 in order to request cash out. Now I know that might be a little high, but when you see the amount of surveys they have on the website, they have videos that you can watch. They have offers that you can do. You got the scratch and win bonus bar at the top. I mean, there's a lot of opportunity to get money on here. So I mean, you just got to continue to grind out. For me personally, I cash out on this site maybe once or twice a month. Definitely once a month, but every now and then, when I work a little harder, I can get it twice a month. So I'm going to request cash, and you see the different options they have on here. They got Amazon, they got like Best Buy, stuff like that. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom, and you see here they have, Walmart. I'm going to find PayPal. That's what I want. I want PayPal. So I'm going to click on that. And you see here, I got the $30, but I can do 40, 50, 100, things like that. So now I'm just going to actually confirm this, like I want this $30. So I'm going to click on that, select the value. And then you got to go down because I got to put in my password. So let me do that real quick. So I put in my password. Now all I got to do is confirm it. And I'm going to hit confirm. Just like that. Congrats on your redemption, $30. Now, they took it away from my balance. So if I click on this now, I have $2.33. So the $30 is going to be in my email, my PayPal, maybe in like 1 or 2 days. It doesn't take that long. So I'll be waiting for that. But again, just to show you that, guys, you can make money with this. I have plenty of videos on this site showing you that I've been paid from them. You know what I'm saying? It just takes a couple days at the most for them to get it to you. But it is very legit. It's been around a very long time. So I highly encourage you guys to use it. All right. So like I said, The link to it is in the description. Click on the link, sign up, create an account, all that good stuff. And always remember, every penny counts.